channel called the Style Flu. Today this is my first YouTube video and I am going to share my screen with my beautiful friend Ankita. She is just here besides me. So I'm calling her, please.
Today we are here and we are going to show you some styling, some looks, some ensembles for a coffee date or brunch. So let's get to it.
In Zara and we are collecting some looks which you can carry to your next coffee date with your girlfriend, with your boyfriend, with anyone. So let's start.
So Preeti too has collected some items for coffee date that she's gonna style for all of us. Okay, and she's still picking. Okay, fine. Yeah, we are not done.
Ankita has collected some articles. Ankita, dikhao. So she will style them for a coffee date and will show. So right now we are going for a trial and we'll show there how to style the dresses or the whole look. Right now we are in trial room और अंकिता जाने वाली है ट्रायल के लिए. अंकिता मेरे को दिखा ट्रायल. और ये अंकिता गुस्सा होके भाग गई. I'm also going for a trial. Ankita's first look. She wore this high neck sweater with a very nice textured trouser with boots, of course. पैर नंगे पैर थोड़ी जाएगी चाय पीने. This is my first look for a coffee date. I mean a nice shirt with a very contrast sweater or a sweater with v-neck, like it's giving me a very high definition look and also a very casual look. In second look, closet fashionista, her own Ankita picked this nice miniature floral dress with dramatic detailing over it. Try not to layer such dresses with anything because the dress is enough to speak for itself. And for me, I picked this body hugging knitted skirt with high neck grey top and layered with snuggy fit cashmere shrug. So this shrug is keeping me warm, also giving me a very posh and a simple. I think मैं थोड़ी गई हूँ. I'm not very sure. अंकिता बोलती what? Yes. Is it?
She's looking fab.
बोल ना, मेरी थोड़ी सी तारीफ करना.
हाँ, she's looking fab with this.
Okay.
Like look at her abs.
Abs.
घंटा यार.
You can see the बकचोदी जो मैंने और अंकिता ने मिलके फैलाई है इनके ट्रायल रूम में. अंकिता अपना भी दिखा दे. अरे मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
And she is not yet done.
मैं फोटो ले लेती हूँ अपने इंस्टाग्राम के लिए.
Talking about how to style the look for coffee date. So yeah, we just couldn't control our craving for coffee, and here we are with a smoking cup of hot coffee.
So after Zara and after having a nice coffee, we are heading to H&M and we'll show some glam looks right this time for your next coffee trip or maybe next coffee date. Ankita has collected some piece. This time we are showing कि कुछ पार्टी टाइप हो जाए बिकॉज काफ़ी लोगों को पसंद होता है कि वो क्योंकि काफ़ी लोगों को पसंद होता है ना कि मतलब वो बाहर जाते हैं तो थोड़ा ग्लैम अप होके जाएं. लाइक अंकिता जैसे आज थोड़ा सा चमकते हुए आई हैं तो उसके लिए कुछ लुक्स. और दीज आर माई आर्टिकल्स विच आई विल शो आफ्टर स्टाइलिंग.
Not the mask.
हाँ, not the mask. Here's the first look of Ankita from H&M. She paired a nice floral maxi dress with the black fall leather jacket and with ankle length boots, and she is looking complete coffee mocha. This is a nice way that you can also use your summer dress in winters. Yeah. Here I am with my little black dress paired with an oversized boyfriend checkered shirt. You know, it's very important to look at the color palette when you assemble the whole look with the different clothes of different colors. In this look, I am following the biggest trend, which is about leather. So I picked a single-breasted faux leather jacket with a Bermuda, and inside that I took a nice blush pink sequence crop top. तो अंकिता अपनी सेकेंड लुक के साथ इन दिस लुक शी इज़ वेयरिंग अ नाइस वन शोल्डर frilled powder pink dress, again paired with the same leather single breasted blazer. She's looking very simple, classy, elegant, and yes, of course, chic. And just look at the color palette, because as I told, it's very important to look the color palette when you put the whole look together. So guys, in my third look I try to convince you कि आप अपनी full sleeves को half sleeves के नीचे पहन सकते हो. You just need to be very careful while picking up the silhouette, fabric, and yes, most important, the colors. And if you will ace the game of these three, you are done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you get any inspiration or insights for your next coffee date, then don't forget to like and share. Also comment below कि आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसी लगी. And yes, don't forget to subscribe because we are coming with more fashion related videos. Ruko. For more fashion styling updates, you can follow us on Instagram, and you can check the website called Closet Fashionista to know more about latest fashion trends. दोनों के लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाले हैं, so please go and check. Thank you.